Hello everyone, this is the Upper Skagit Library with Maker Monday. This week's kit, Gnomes. Reserve your kit by calling 360-853-7939 or emailing info@upperskagitlibrary.org. Inside your kit, you'll find your Gnome template. What you need to provide: crayons, glue or double-sided tape, and scissors. Step 1. Color your template. Step 2. Cut out your template along the black line around both gnomes. Step 3. Glue your gnome. You'll see a tab on the side of the gnome. You're going to put your glue or tape there, and then you're going to roll him around and stick him together. Step 4. Enjoy your gnomes. This was the Upper Skagit Library. See you next time.